Welcome to GMath tutorial. Now the next question in Applied Mathematics Winter 2019 examination for solution set. Question 1 C. Question is find dy by dx if given y is equal to x raised to 5 plus 5 raised to x plus e raised to x plus log x to the base 2. Now we want to find the derivative, that is dy by dx. In solution, first write given as it is, that is y is equal to x raised to 5 plus 5 raised to x plus e raised to x plus log x to the base 2. Then first we simplify the log x to the base 2, as log m to the base n is equal to log m upon log n. Then log x to the base 2 is log x upon log 2. All other terms are right as it is, that is log x upon log 2 only change. Now we use the derivative formulas like dy dx of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Then derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. We use this formula and find the derivative of y, that is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x raised to 5 plus d by dx of pi raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of log x upon log 2. We get, by using this formula, we write it is dy by dx is 5x raised to 4 plus 5 raised to x into log pi plus e raised to x plus 1 upon x into log 2 is constant, so write as it is. And this is the required solution. Thank you for watching.